Hey everybody, Slippery Slope is here with Python tutorial number 2, and if this all looks foreign to you, you might want to watch number 1. Basically, we're inside the Idol. No, not American Idol, there's no William Hung here singing She Bang, but this is the Idol GUI, Graphical User Interface. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to have fun with numbers. Fun with numbers? Don't I have to learn about data types and variable types and all sorts of crud? No. Actually, Python is so groovy that you could just type up, 4 plus 7. 11. Thank heaven for 7-Eleven. I could type up, 4 times 7. Hey, 28. I could type up 7 minus 4. 3. Groovy. I could type up 12 divided by 7 at, what? 1? 12 divided by 7 is not 1. I took enough math courses to know that that is not 1. Boo, Python. You lied to me, you dirty, filthy liar. Well, there's a really easy way around this, and all you have to do is you have to put in a decimal. What am I, Sylvester the cat? You want to put in a decimal place in either of these two integers, 1.71, etc. I like my current color scheme, and I'm going to keep it. 12 divided by 7.0, same number. And guess what, guys? If you really want to, you could put in that decimal without a number after it, hit enter, and you still get that. So that is how you handle I'm so funny. Integer division problems and how to resolve them by using a float. And a float, or a floating point number, is simply one with a decimal in it. And I didn't add, multiply, or do anything to that one, so there you go. Now, that's all fine and dandy and really easy and really awesome, but there's one more thing I can show you before we all go home and eat cake and pie and whatever. What if I wanted to use exponents? You know, just multiply things by itself a couple times, or a few times, or however many times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 7 2s, if I'm correct, and get 128. Well, I don't want to have to type 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 all the time. Well, good news, you don't have to. 2, asterisk, asterisk, 7, when 28? I forgot how to speak English. Can someone please make a tutorial on how to speak English properly? Anyway, that's it in a nutshell, how to add, subtract, divide, multiply, get around integer division with float division if you so need to, if the numbers don't go in evenly. Use exponents. Oh, and one more groovy thing. Check this out. Well, we already know that that doesn't work, but what if we use a percent sign? A percent sign, that doesn't solve our problem at all. And why isn't this a percentage? Well, it's because this percent sign in Python means modulus. And what a modulus is if you remember those classes where there was like, you do long division and then you get a remainder. Well, 10 divided by 5, that would be a 2 evenly. And 12 divided by 5, well, you'd have a remainder of 2 left over. So that's what this is about. It's a modulus, and that's a fancy schmancy way of saying divide and give me the remainder. Now we're done. That was awesome. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them, as in make them and allow me to see them. And if you like this video, feel free to subscribe. Slippery Slope signing out. Peace.